In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap Solana on Trust Wallet. Now, the first thing you need to do will be to log into your Trust app. And once you're in the home screen, you go to the crypto section and you check whether you have Solana over there. For example, I have BTC, Solana, Ethereum, and BNB. If, for example, you cannot find Solana, what you need to do will be to navigate to the top right corner of your screen and you click the plus button. And what you need to do once again is just to include Solana, that's SOL. So once you find that, if Solana isn't toggled in your app, you could just toggle on it. And the next thing you need to do will be to go to the home screen and then you can find Solana. Now you click on Solana and you will find send, receive, buy, swap, and sell. What you're interested in here is to swap. So you click on the swap button. Now you can swap Solana into different cryptos. So you just go to this USDC and you choose what you're interested in. So if, for example, I'm interested in Bitcoin, I could choose Bitcoin and it's going to load. I could include the amounts I intend to swap, and once I include that, it's going to load. If I have sufficient balance, I would be able to continue, and that's how you can swap your Solana on your Trust app. I hope this video is helpful. Follow for more.